Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Maniology haul. You will see some videos coming out soon using these products. First I want to share this one because it's the biggest and bulkiest and heaviest. I picked up this. It's a plate organizer. I chose to put the I Do Nails What's Your Superpower in the front here. It has dividers with it. And plate storage. It holds, I believe, 60 plates, and you can buy the dividers and the plate holders on the website to add more to the binder. This has been great so far. I love the iridescence of the binder. Next up, I got the sticky stamper station refills, and there is 50 sheets in each of these, and you can plan your manicure out, put your polishes down here, and peel this up. You peel the paper up, then it reveals a sticky page like a lint roller, and you can clean your stamper off. So the 2-pack of those. I almost forgot, I did get this really cute sloth sticker, and it says polish powered. Super adorable. Picked up 2 plates, which I've already used, so I have nail art to share too. This is M417. I'll have some pictures, but it's the gingerbread plate, and it has lots of layering stamping on here. And this is super cute for the holidays, but even after the holidays, because I even done gingerbread nails after the holidays. And I love this oh snap image over here. Super cute stuff here. The next plate is M448, and it's the Yeti plate. Lots of really cute images of the Yetis on here. There are so many cute ones. I have this one on my nails. Super duper cute. Last and final item is the Maniology Woodland Walk 3-piece jelly flaky nail polish set. This is set 076. 3 polishes. I have worn 2 of these polishes, and if I wear the 3rd one by the time I post the video, I will most certainly share those pictures as well. The first one is called North Light, and it's a navy jelly polish with multicolored flakies suspended throughout. So they're going to shine differently whether you're in the sunlight, the shade, and whatever lighting you're in. So pretty. And it took this one 3 coats to become opaque, like the color in the bottle. Next is White Willow. This is a gray jelly polish with the multichrome flakies in there. This is absolutely stunning. This is the one I'm actually wearing. And this is about 4 coats of this polish to become opaque. But it's not fully opaque. You can still see my nail line. But that's kind of the purpose of these polishes. They're not meant to be opaque. They're perfect for stamping. Really pretty. The last one is called Ivy League, and it's a teal with multichrome flakies suspended throughout. These are so pretty. Definitely going to be using this one soon. Absolutely stunning. You can buy these polishes separate on the website or in this trio like I'm sharing now. And the better deal is actually to buy them in the trio. I definitely recommend these Maniology polishes. Not only are their stamping polishes great, but so are the regular style polishes that are as well. So that is everything that I picked up from Maniology this time. Stay tuned for an unboxing and nail art using the January Mani by Me box with the cute little cats. That's coming soon. I'm still waiting on that box, so it's going to be kind of late, but stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. Thank you so very much for watching.